Hello children, today we'll do one exercise, fill correct digraph in blank. Now you have learned different digraphs. So read the word and fill missing sound of digraph. See the first picture. Which picture is this? It's a picture of ship. Which sound is missing? Shh sound is missing. Which digraph says shh? Digraph SH says shh. So fill the correct digraph SH and make the word complete. Sh, e, p, ship. Now read the second word. Which picture is this? It's a picture of ch, e, chin. Sound is missing. Ch sound is missing. Fill the correct digraph CH and make the word complete. Ch, e, chin. Let's see next picture. Read the word dash ale. Ale is nothing. Which sound is missing? W sound is missing. So fill the correct digraph WH W and make the meaningful word whale. Whale. Read the next word law dash. Which digraph sound is missing? K sound is missing. So fill the correct digraph CK and make the word complete. Lock. Lock. It's time for the next word. Which picture is this? It's a picture of ring. So which sound is missing? Sound is missing. So fill the correct digraph NG and make the word complete. Ring. Let's try one more picture. Read the word C dash. Which sound is missing? Digraph NK sound is missing. So fill the correct digraph NK and make the word complete. C sink. Now next word is dash on. Which sound is missing, children? It's a picture of on phone. So PH sound is missing. Fill the correct digraph PH and make the word complete. On phone. Now read the next word la dash. La dash is nothing. Which picture is this? It's a picture of laugh. Which sound is missing? Sound is missing. So fill the correct digraph GH and make the word complete. Laugh. Let's try next word. What is written? Mo dash It's a picture of mother. Which sound is missing? Digraph TH the sound is missing. So fill the correct digraph TH the and make the word complete. Mother. The is hard sound of digraph TH. Now read the next word dash re. Re is nothing. Which picture is this? It's a picture of 3. So fill the correct digraph TH and make the word complete. Three. Th is soft sound of digraph TH. Now read the next word dash in. In is nothing. Which picture is this? It's a picture of queen. Which sound is missing? Qua sound is missing. So fill the correct sound and make the word complete. Queen. Some people consider qua sound as blend while others consider this as digraph. So we are teaching this sound in digraph also. Read the last word dash L. L is nothing. Which picture is this? It's a picture of 12 12. Which sound is missing? Tw sound is missing. So fill the correct blend tw and make the word complete. 12. Children, now you have learned this exercise. Now you do this work neatly in your notebook. Revise exercises of different blends and digraph. Bye bye.